Hey, my name is Amanda, and I wanted to share the results that I've had using a diet called the Smoothie diet. I started the diet after having my second son. I had gained about 70 pounds all in all throughout 2 pregnancies and had tried many other ways to take the weight off, and just nothing was working for me. Everything was just too hard, or I was hungry all the time, and I was super cranky. And so I found the smoothie diet, which is so easy to follow. You basically just make the smoothies, which taste amazing. You replace certain meals with them. The shopping lists are included, recipes are included, and all in all, it was a very easy diet for me to follow. I've been using everything I learned from the program to keep the weight coming off. So at this point, I've lost almost 70 pounds. The smoothies were absolutely delicious. They were filling. I never really felt like I was missing out on anything. And the best part, especially as a young mom, was the incredible energy that I felt like I had. I didn't even feel like I needed my morning coffee anymore. Drew was absolutely fantastic to work with. Anytime I had a question or I needed more information about something, I was able to email him and he would email me right back with the information that I needed. So I never felt like I was in the dark. I always felt like there was communication there. So I would highly recommend this smoothie diet to anyone who's looking for a really great and easy way to lose weight without feeling like you're hungry or missing out on something. Thanks and good luck.
The Smoothie Diet, 21-Day Rapid Weight Loss Program. Hey guys! Today I'm super excited to bring you an amazing review about Smoothies Dieta. If you're looking for a delicious and healthy way to achieve your weight loss goals, you've come to the right place. So stay tuned. What is the Diet Smoothies? This is not just a great diet smoothies recipe book. You are getting the same proven 3-week weight loss and health improvement program that I share with my private clients. The secret that makes the Diet Smoothie diet so effective is a satisfied customer stated, "Getting into this diet was so easy and the results were so fast. After only 1 week in the smoothie diet, I weighed myself and realized that I had lost 3.5 kilos. I feel better and more confident than I have in a long time. I no longer have to shrink my belly to button up my pants, and I still have to stop to look twice every time I walk in front of a mirror." Benefits of the Diet Smoothies. In a few minutes, you will have access to all the necessary tools to lose weight and get healthy as soon as possible. I didn't leave anything to chance. It's all explained step by step for you to start today and lose weight tomorrow. For who is indicated? Who can benefit from diet smoothies? Well, it's perfect for anyone looking for a practical and tasty approach to losing weight. The Diet Smoothie is a revolutionary new life-changing system that not only ensures to help you lose weight and feel better than you have in years, but also promises to eliminate more body fat faster than anything you've tried before. Alert about buying on the official website. Before continuing, I want to make an essential alert. To ensure that you are getting an authentic and quality product, it is crucial to buy the diet smoothies only on the official website. Avoid imitations that can compromise your experience and results. So if you are ready to transform your weight loss journey in a delicious way, click the link in the description below to access the official website of Diet Smoothies. Don't waste time and take the first step towards a healthier, happier version of yourself. Sign up, like and share with those who are also looking for positive change. See you next, folks.